left the grave. The chains of death he shattered with a sound. A king who bowed, a love that would not cave. Oh, the tomb could not hold you. Death lost its grip, it let you go. Now I stand here free, with a heart that knows the tomb could not hold you. The day went dark, the sky refused to shine. When the Son of God gave up his holy breath, a crown of thorns, a spear to pierce his side, the perfect Lamb alone in love took my death. And in the silence, hope was buried deep. The disciples wept, their world had come undone. 3 days of silence while the heavens held their breath. They didn't know the battle was already won. The stone was rolled, but not to let me in. It was rolled away to show he'd left the grave. The chains of death he shattered with a sound. A king who bowed, a love that would not cave. Oh, the tomb could not hold you. Death lost its grip, it let you go. Now I stand here free, with a heart that knows the tomb could not hold you. They came at dawn with spices in their hands, to mourn a body they thought love had lost. But all they found was a linen laid aside, and the heavy stone, a fraction of the cost. An angel spoke with terror and with grace, why seek the living among all the dead? And in that moment, sorrow turned to praise, as hope came rushing from an empty bed. The stone was rolled, but not to let me in. It was rolled away to show he'd left the grave. The chains of death he shattered with a sound. A king who bowed, a love that would not cave. Oh, the tomb could not hold you. Death lost its grip, it let you go. Now I stand here free, with a heart that knows the tomb could not hold you. Mary stood there, tears still in her eyes, until the gardener spoke her name, Mary. One word, one sound that shattered all her grief, the voice that called her from the dark to see. He walked the road with Emmaus's broken hearts, and broke the bread that opened up their eyes. He showed his wounds, the proof of what he'd done, a scarred Redeemer, glorified and wise. Oh, the weight of sin was carried to the grave, but it could not keep the author of the brave. He paid it all in full, the debt I owe. And then he rose to prove that I could know a life beyond the shadow of the fall, a living hope, the answer to the call. He is not here, he it was rolled away to show he'd left the grave. The chains of death he shattered with a sound. A king who bowed, a love that would not cave. Oh, the tomb could not hold you. Death lost its grip, it let you go. Now I stand here free, with a heart that knows the tomb could not hold you. So let the world proclaim its empty thrones. Let every fear retreat into the flame. For I have seen the King upon his throne, and I will rise when next he speaks my name. Until that day, I'll sing of what he's done. The bloody cross, the sky, the empty grave. My life is hidden in the risen sun. The one who broke the power death once gave. The stone was rolled, but not to let me